How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of PA Bassett. I'm on my lunch break right now. Came to fish the pond real quick. Got a paddle tail tied on Kayatek. See what we can catch today. Water's really murky. We just got destroyed by rain for like 3 or 4 days. So probably don't have the right color on right now. Cool down. I want to grab my jacket quick. Got him. Nice one. Right under the log. Nice one. Get in the boat. Got him. Nice. Right where he should have been. I know there's a bigger one under that log though, but that was a perfect drop on that log. That's what's up. I really hooked him. He wasn't going nowhere. He gulped it. Look at that. Nice. Decent bass. For this pond, I mean, I come here and fish a lot on my lunch break, so it gets pounded decent amount throughout the year. I know by me personally, like I said. Alright, let's get the release on her. Nice bass. There we go. Come on. Alright, let's get in there and try to see if we can catch another one. Hopefully they're kind of just stacked up by this log and I get to sit here now. But that was like a perfect cast. Different angle. Yeah. I'm running out of battery. All right, so battery died and I got snagged, so I had to come back to the car anyway. So yeah, I'll show you what I'm using then. So yeah, I'm using a 1/4 This is swim bait jig right there. Kind of became a big fan of these. I think I'm just gonna stay with the color I have. I only got 10 more minutes to try to catch one more fish, so I'm just gonna stay with this one. Yeah, just like a bluegill pattern, shad pattern. Oh, let's see what it is actually. Yeah, called bluegill flash. Kayatek makes it. That's pretty much what I've been using. Freaking in like that. Running it on 30 pound fluorocarbon. Let's see if we can hopefully get one more. So I only get to hit this spot on my lunch breaks because it's like about 8 minutes down the road from my actual job.